Technology is advancing, and so is Winnipeg's advanced manufacturing industry. Our workforce is changing, becoming more skilled and diverse. Global competition is fierce, but we have the advantage of being located at the heart of the continent with access to North America's largest inland port. We are investing heavily in post-secondary education with more than $100 million invested in academic research and development. Our manufacturing companies are leading the way in advanced composite design and other new technologies. We are building strong ties with interconnected companies, industry organizations, government, and academia to ensure our continued success. And we have the skilled labor force to make it all happen, with more than 1,400 manufacturing companies and more than 42,000 employees. We also offer manufacturing tax credits, which help businesses invest in new technologies and stay competitive. Our agile transportation and logistics infrastructure makes it easy to get goods to market quickly and efficiently. Winnipeg is at the center of it all, Canada's advanced manufacturing hub.